Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Millennial Market, where we do tons of videos on different types of cryptocurrencies and different types of altcoins. So if you have a project you want me to review, please leave it down in the comments. Before we get into this, I'm not a financial advisor. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. And also, to all of the Moon Boys, we usually, with these type of project reviews, identifying green flags, identifying red flags, we usually get a ton of hate in the comments. So talking about Safuu, identifying some red flags. I'm talking about, is this a potential that this could be a scam? I'm not calling this project a scam 100%. You never know with these projects. What if this project ends up continuing to develop to be a great project? So this is my opinion. Before we start getting all heated in the comments, please understand, I'm talking about the possible potential and what my opinion looking at this project is as an investor myself. So let's get into it. Safuu. This is one of those projects that likes to advertise these really high APYs, very large APYs. If we look right now at the price per token, it's $132, down about 25% in the day. Price is kind of fluctuating all around. Taking a decent correction right now, actually down 24% in the day. Looking here, kind of in the last 3 months, when Safuu kind of launched right here on the 2nd, when it started being monitored by coin market cap right here, you can see Safuu has kind of started at 50 bucks, jumped up to about $300, and is now back to about 142. So very volatile and very low market cap at a $63 million market cap. That's pretty low. It's a micro cap, very speculative, and also I want to say risky, what I would call for a cryptocurrency. But looking at that fully diluted, so what we're seeing here is the difference between the market cap and the fully diluted. The market cap is the actual market cap of what the project is right now with the current total supply that we have circulating. The max supply is what calculates that fully diluted market cap. So we go from a market cap of 63 million to a fully diluted market cap of $431 billion. Nearly, if we go to where Bitcoin is sitting at right now and Ethereum, saying over the Ethereum. So the fully diluted market cap is over right now the price of Ethereum, which indicates that this is a highly inflationary token, and likely why we can promise, or what they do, they promise this crazy high APY. So let's talk about it here. Get into the website, do a little bit of a white paper auto review, kind of identify some possible risks that I would maybe stay away from in my personal self, and you can kind of do your own research and make your own decision. But looking here, we have Safuu talking about the highest paid auto staking and auto compounding protocol, claiming to have this fixed APY in crypto of 383,025.8%. So talking about here, there's low risk with the Safuu insurance, and interest is paid every 15 minutes, 96 times daily. So you get an interest payment 96 times every single day with this highest fixed APY of 383,000%. Now, I want to tell you one thing. I want to tell you one thing that I think is important. Not ripping on the project, but money does not grow on trees. And if you think something is too good to be true, a decent amount, a decent amount of the time, it could be too good to be true. Talking about, so if this really gave you